Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you were wondering if the Stevie Wig from Outre was tea, I'm giving you all the deets, so make sure to stay tuned. So I ordered this hair from Sam's Beauty for $33.99, and the color that it is DRFF4/CHAM. Now, I'm not sure if that's supposed to be a word, but I'm gonna spell it out for y'all because I'm not about to look stupid. I will say that the lace was pretty good for the price. I was able to pluck it without going too far into the sides, which I have been noticing on a few of my synthetic wigs where they're making the parts like right next to the tracks. So you pluck wrong and your tracks will be showing, honey. And here I'm just showing you how much I plucked, and this is what the part looked like after the fact. I also went in with my hot comb to flatten the part out a bit. Now it's time for the install. Don't y'all love how quick this is going? Like, this is definitely a simple, beginner-friendly wig, and we love that for us. I put some powder on the part and I used a black wig cap. The tan ones show through the rest of the wig, which you can see an example of in my other wig review of the Annie Bob from Outre. And you can click in the upper right hand side to see that. I'm using Got To Be spray to lay down the front, and I tied it down with a scarf for about 15 minutes. Then I went in and cut my baby hairs. I'm not sure why, but some days my baby hairs, I just do not cut them right. And my worst fear is cutting them too short and then I look stupid. So I always cut them long and then shape them, go back in, whatever you may have it. But it's too much work and I need to come up with a better solution. So if y'all have any recommendations on how to do that, drop them down below. I will say that this hair looks super frizzy without me even touching it. Like, for real, as I watch this over, I wish I would have just brushed it. Like, I don't know what was going on in my head, but my fingers was not enough. Not gonna lie, I really get scared when it comes to combing synthetic hair. But this time, I should have known better, but don't judge me for that, y'all, okay? Now, I added more powder to the top of the wig, and that is it, guys. Super easy to install and really took no time at all. All right, guys, so I am running late. I have a shoot today just for me, for Instagram, but I just had to come back and show y'all how this wig looks. I am in love with this color on me. I think it looks so good. It looks so natural. It looks like it's not a synthetic wig, and that's what we're going for, guys. Like, we are getting so much better with these synthetic wigs. I'm here for it. Like Outre, y'all did that. I feel like I want to get it in the other color that it comes in, and I'm trying not to run my fingers through it because I'm supposed to be shooting today and I don't want my hair to get too frizzy. But no, I love it. I love the layers. It's already been layered. I love that. I don't have to do any work besides the plucking and pressing down the front so it just lays a little fatter. That's all I did, y'all. I didn't cut nothing except for the lace, but I didn't cut any layers in it. So I really love the way this turned out. I think it fits me really well. I'm starting to really get into blonde, or you know, my skin tone, because I thought it wasn't a thing, but now I'm seeing that it's a thing, and I love that for us. Just saying. I know this was super short, but I just wanted to show you guys, you know, it doesn't take that long to install a synthetic wig. I feel like when it gets old, maybe I'll cut it to like here. I think that'd be or here. I think that'd be really, really cute. If you haven't already, make sure to tap that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're alerted when I post new videos. Hit that thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button if you like what you see. And how could you not? I don't get it. If you don't buy. No, I'm just kidding. Comment your thoughts down below. Have you guys tried this wig? Will you try this wig? Have you tried the other colors? Will you try the other colors? All that good stuff, leave it down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.